Hello everybody and welcome back to another Fantasy Wax Melts new releases video. I am so excited to be doing this new releases video. This is going to be our last one before we go on our family vacation to Disney World, and I really wanted to hone in on the Disney and do the 6 sort of like main characters and almost kind of incorporate them into somewhat of like park snacks. I thought that would be really fun. So this release is going to be today, October 29th at 3 p.m. Central Time on our Etsy shop as per usual. Definitely make sure to follow our Instagram for sneak peeks and everything like that. But I am so stinking excited. Let's go ahead and just get into every single scent. First things first, of course, we have Mickey Mouse. We did a really fun bright red color, and then every single topping for all of these scents does have Mickey heads incorporated into it. So these are just like the classic red, black, and white. And the scent note for Mickey Mouse is cola. So this is what you think of when you think of like, I guess like Coca-Cola. It smells a little bit cherry, I want to say. Maybe that's just me, but it has like a little bit of a light cherry cola scent to it. But it definitely is like, it smells like the fizzy cola beverage. Like spot on, smells exactly like it. And I thought that would be really fun for Mickey. So that is Mickey Mouse. Next up, we have Minnie Mouse. We did a fun bright pink, and then her Mickey heads are like red, white, and light pink, kind of like Valentine's Day colors. I thought they would be really cute and really sweet for her. And we brought back a scent from our red, white, and blue 4th of July bundle that was a mini size that a lot of people had been asking to bring back, and that was the Summer Scoop type, which is essentially strawberry ice cream. I thought that would be really fun. It's really fresh, delicious. I just really love this scent, and I thought it went really well with Minnie Mouse. Next up, we have Goofy. We did a fun kind of like mid-tone green. It was really difficult to do like the dark green for him, and then the bright orange, which I thought was really, really fun. So for Goofy, we did a cookies and cream scent, almost reminiscent of the gray stuff from Be Our Guest restaurant. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I absolutely love this one. So this is Goofy. Next we have Pluto. I feel like this one is really reminiscent of almost like our 90s bundle with the colors, but we did a bright yellow with some fun like red and blue sprinkles and some yellow Mickey heads. Pluto's scent note is peanut butter cookies, which I thought would be absolutely perfect for Pluto. I don't know why, but that's just exactly how I envisioned it. This one is such a really great baked good scent. It leans a little bit heavier on the cookie, but you can definitely still smell the peanut butter underneath, and it is so good. So this is Pluto peanut butter cookies. Next up we have Donald Duck, a really fun bright blue. These are kind of like ocean kind of color sprinkles here with like the light pastel Mickey heads. I thought those would be really fun for Donald, and if you've been watching my wax videos for a while, you're gonna be shocked that we're doing this scent, but it smells like kettle corn. I have never found a kettle corn scent that I've liked. I truly haven't. It's always been one of those ones that I smell and I'm like, oof, no, I don't like that. This kettle corn is amazing. I honestly think it's because you can smell like a little bit of the butter, and the salty aspect comes in pretty heavy to me, which I love. I think this is one of the best kettle corns I have found. I really enjoy it. I definitely think you should give it a try. This is Donald Duck. And then last but not least, we have Daisy Duck. We did a really nice purple with some like really pretty, like, I feel like these are so Daisy, like the purple, pink, and white sprinkles with like the Mickey heads. I thought these would be really cute. So kind of to round everything out, we did a churro scent. This is very different from our funnel cake scents. This does have like a cinnamon sugar aspect to it, but it is not red hot cinnamon. It's very like, I would say mild cinnamon, very mild cinnamon. You can definitely more so smell like the caramel drizzle and like the more of the fried dough than you can the cinnamon. It is there, but it's very mild. But I think this is such a good scent, and I thought it would be really fun. So this is Daisy. Alrighty, so those are the 6 scents that are going to be new and available today, October 29th at 3 p.m. Central Time. So if you do order today, and I'm also going to say tomorrow as well, because we are going on vacation this week, we are going to complete all of your orders. I'm gonna say Sunday. Sunday morning is when we're gonna have every single order completed and dropped off at the post office Monday, so that way we don't have to worry about those. But if you do order after, expect for those to ship after we get back from our vacation. So you can follow my personal Instagram if you wanna follow along with that. But other than that, make sure you follow Fantasy Wax Melts Instagram for up-to-date sort of information and everything. I am so excited. We're moving into the holiday season, and I have so many good ideas for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this new release video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Reagan's behind me. Bye, guys.